So this is the tuck marker, and it's quite an early one, and I'm going to show how it works. So what we do, we need to bolt it onto the machine first, and you screw it on to the machine. Make sure it's really good and tight. And then there's a little hook on this arm, and this little hook goes around the needle. So we'll just put that on there like that. Now, you've got two nuts, and they control the depth of the tuck. So this is a sample. So you can control the depth of this tuck. You can make it narrow or wider, and you can control the distance between tucks. So the top groove is the depth of the tuck, and the bottom groove is the distance between them. And start off with the first fold and place it under. There's a little groove thing here, which is the edge of your tuck, and then put the foot down. So that's how deep the tuck will be between the needle and the edge of the fold. And this funny little arm presses down on this springy bit here, and see this little circle here, that leaves a dint in the fabric, and that will be the distance between the two tucks. So let me just do a bit of sewing and you'll see. So this little arm is going up and down, pressing on this little spring. I'm not keeping an eye on the little groove at the edge, but that's very clever. Okay, just do a whole load of that. Finish with the needle up. Take the foot up. Okay, so that's our first very wobbly tuck, and you will see, I don't know if your camera can pick that up, there's a dint in the fabric there. Can you see that? That's where it's telling me to fold the fabric for the next line of sewing. So I fold it on the dint that the machine has guided for me, and then I put it under again on the edge of this little notch that sticks up here, and I carry on sewing the next line to get it straight. Not much tension for what I'm doing. Okay, take that one off. And there we are, have our second tuck, and it should lay next to that one there. You see we have another groove here. So again, we fold it on the edge of the groove. On the groove, shall I say? Place the fabric under. And sew again. And there we are, and you can keep going like that for as long as you want. So in here there's a box of more modern Singer. This is 1906, this machine, and these ones date to the 1930s, and this is the same gadget, but you can see they've changed it and upgraded it, so it actually bolts onto the foot there. You don't have the separate foot, which is that bit there, and that's the distance, and that's the depth of tuck. So yeah, they've changed it. Yeah.